Hey guys, this is Edin here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to get VEO 3.1 Video Generator Unlimited. So let's get started.
Hello everyone and welcome to our English class. It's great to see so many new faces.
Welcome back. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. I finally found a way to use VEO 3 for free. Yes, completely free. No subscription, no watermark, no limits, and you don't even need to sign up or create an account. This is one of those rare tools that you should take advantage of right now because we don't know how long it's going to stay free. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how to use it and how to create even long videos with it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and like the video because I'm always bringing you the latest free tools. Let's get straight into it. So this is the platform I mentioned at the beginning. As you can see, there's no login, no sign up. It's just a simple website that gives you access to multiple AI tools. Inside this platform, you'll find several features, especially related to VEO 3. You can explore different tools, but the one we care about today is the video generation tool. There's also image to video, image generation, and even a prompt generator that helps you create better prompts using AI. So this platform is not just for video generation, it actually helps you build everything you need for content creation. And now let's try it out. I already have a prompt ready just for demonstration. This type of content is actually trending right now, especially short AI generated videos. First, go to the VEO 3 video generation section and paste your prompt right here. You can also improve your prompt using the built-in AI tool if you want better results. Now here's something important that many people don't notice. Click on the three dots. This is where you control the number of videos and the video lengths. From here, you can choose how many videos you want to generate. Select a version like VEO 3.1 or 2.0 and choose whether you want a short clip or a longer format. For this example, I'll choose 2 videos and keep it simple. Now click generate. As you can see, it immediately starts creating the videos for free. The platform makes money through ads, which is why it can offer these tools without charging users. In a few moments, your videos will be ready. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, but usually it's quite fast. And here we go. The videos are ready.
Welcome, everyone. I'm so excited to start this journey together. Welcome, everyone. I'm so excited to start this journey together.
You can play them and you'll notice they look very similar to real VEO 3 output with sound and motion generated automatically. This is not a fake version, it actually works really well compared to many other tools online. If you like the result, you can download your video directly with a single click. Now let's move to another powerful feature, which is image to video. Here you can upload any image from your computer or phone, then add a prompt describing what you want to happen in the video. For example, you can animate a character, make them move, speak, or react. Just upload your image, write your prompt, choose the number of videos and the length, and click generate. It's that simple. Now here's the most interesting part. Why did I say you can create long videos using this tool? Because there are no limits. You can generate as many clips as you want, then combine them together. For example, you can go to an AI like ChatGPT and ask it to create a story broken into scenes where each scene is about 6 seconds long. Then, for each scene, you generate a video using this platform. If you keep your character descriptions consistent and reuse the same images, you can maintain continuity across scenes. This way, you can build a full story, scene by scene, and turn it into a long video. The only challenge is keeping the characters consistent, but if you prepare your images and prompts carefully, it becomes much easier. You can even use other tools to generate character designs and reuse them across your scenes. That's how you scale from short clips to full-length videos. And since this platform has no daily limits, you can create as many scenes as you want. That's what makes it so powerful. So as you can see, this is a really impressive free platform and I highly recommend you start using it while it's still available like this. You'll also find in the description a link to another video where I explain how to create long AI videos step by step. Make sure to watch it because it will help you take this to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. And if you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to share it there as well. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raqmedia for more AI tutorials and productivity hacks. This is your host, Ezzedine. See you in the next video. Peace.